just before I finish off my card, I wanted to show you something really cool that I've discovered with the new Corrugated Dynamic Textured Impressions folder. It's the one where you need to spritz your cardstock. Apart from this cool line that you can actually line your cardstock up to, what I've discovered is once you've got your beautiful corrugated sheet, which is just beautiful for decorating, is if you pop it onto your card and then put your card front on top of it, it actually raises it up really nicely. So I'm just going to put my adhesive of choice, which is Tombow multi-purpose, and I'm going to put a fair bit down because I want to make sure I get lots and lots of contact points here. And then I'm going to pop this on. So that I just get really good contact with it. So I've cut it a little bit smaller than what I want it to be, so it doesn't stick outside the finished card front. And I'll just pop a clear block on there while I do the same thing with this. So you could use snail. I like using the multi-purpose because it gives me that little bit of time where I can just move it around and get it straight. And because I do like to get things really straight, I'm going to pop my card into my Stamparatus and line it up against the edge. And then I'm going to get my card front and butt that up right against the edge as well. And then put some pressure on here. And again, I can just pop my block on there just to make sure I get lots of nice contact. And then I've got a raised card front, and it's got lots of support underneath it. So I just thought I'd show you that. If you enjoyed,